Hi, fifth graders. We're going to learn today how to take a decimal and divide it by a power of 10. I have a chart in front of you that is kind of a review of what powers of 10 actually mean. You will see that I have 10 to the fourth, 10 to the third, 10 to the second, and 10 to the first power. The 4, 3, 2, and 1 tells us how many times the 10 is going to be multiplied by itself. So in the example of 10 to the first power, it is only going to be 10 times 1 because there's only going to be one 10. However, in 10 to the second power, it will be 10 times 10. A common mistake here is that students will think that this means 10 times 2, which will then equal 20, and that is not correct. Remember that it is 10 times itself. Looking at 10 to the third power, I have 10 times 10 times 10. And then going to 10 to the fourth power, I have 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. And then, of course, if you look above the line here, it tells you the value of what those 10 times 10 times 10 actually are. So, for example, 10 times 1 is a value of 10. 10 times 10 is 100. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. And 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is 10,000. So now let's review what happens to numbers when you multiply by power of 10. You've done this already, fifth graders. We're going to start with 2.43 and we're going to multiply by 10. And since there's only one, we would say that that is 10 to the first power. Noticing on the chart that when we multiply by a power of 10, that the numbers shift to the left, meaning that they get larger. 2.43 times 10 to the first power is going to be 24 and 3/10. Now taking that same number, 2.43, and shifting it over two places means that I'm going to have to multiply 10 by 10, which 10 times 10 is 100. That is the same as also saying 2.43 times 10 to the second power. You will notice that each number will make a jump of two places to the left, making it equal 243, noting that the decimal point stays in the same place. So starting now with the same problem, 2.43 times 10, but this time instead of denoting 10 to the second power, we're going to say 10 to the third power. 10 to the third power is the same as saying 2.43 times 1,000. That 3 also tells us how many jumps to the left that those numerals are going to make. So if I have 2.43 times 10 to the third, that 2 has got to move over 3 places to the left. The 4 has to move over 3 places to the left. The 3 has to move over 3 places to the left. So if you watch, 1, 2, 3, the 2 goes here. The decimal point stays right where it's supposed to stay. The 4 moves over 3 places, 1, 2, 3. And then the 3 moves over 3 places, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Noting that that decimal point is still going to stay in the same place, you are going to end up with a place in the ones that has no numeral there. In this case, you would put a 0. Let's move on to dividing by powers of 10. We're going to start with 745, and we are going to divide, meaning that we are going to go in the opposite direction. So for multiplying, we moved our numbers to the left. For dividing, we are going to move our numbers to the right. And as always, when we're dividing by powers of 10, it is the number of zeros or the exponent that will tell us how many jumps to the right that it is going to make. So we'll start with 745 divided by a power of 10 to the first. I'll say that again because I didn't say it right. 745 divided by 10 to the first power. That's only 110, which means we are only making one jump to the right. The numbers are going to move backwards. 1, so 5 goes there, 4 goes here, 7 goes here. If we decide to make it our exponent to a 2, we would start with 745 divided by 10 to the second power. That 2 tells us that the numbers are going to move back to the right 2 places. So 5, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2. We end up with 7 and 45 hundredths. Moving down to the bottom of the chart, we're still going to start with 745, but now we're going to divide by a power of 3, 10 to the third. That 3 tells us that we are going to move 3 places to the right. Likewise, the 3 zeros in the thousand tell us to do the same thing. 1,000 is 10 to the third power. So 5 moves backward to the right, 3, 1, 2, 3. 4 moves to the right, 1, 2, 3. And 7 moves to the right, 1, 2, 3. And we actually end up with a decimal 745 thousandths.